We're going to work in sales. We're going to go to Customer Center. We're going to go down to Wholesale, go into Transaction, and we're going to be working with payments today. So you hit the Payments, Add New. There's a drop-down box for the different customers. There's a drop-down box for the method. And payment method can be changed in the setup section, which will be shown later. And show your bank. Select your account that you will be putting this amount into. Checking, savings, undeposited. You might have your bank information here, or you might have cash on hand. If it's a check, you put the number here. Come down here and put check, and you come over here and you click on the one that they're actually paying for. So they're only paying one of the invoices and not two. And you hit Create and Close. Payments are relatively easy. You just go to Transact, you go to Customer Center, you go to the customer that you received payment from, you go to Transaction, you hit Payments, Add New. If there is a credit or a return, you're going to Receipt Allocation. And it will show up. This is the customer, the date. If you had a return or a credit, it would be in this section here, which you would be able to apply to the open invoice. And then you would hit the invoice that it's paying for, and then Save. Payments are relatively easy. You can also see prior payments and go into them for editing purposes. This one was cash that went in a checking account, and they paid $50 on an amount. You can delete it or void also. If you wanted to change this payment, you can also change the amount here. If the unused payment was in here, and then you hit Save and Close. And that's it for payments today.